Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 22nd July 2025, Tuesday. Vishwavasunama Samvatsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishmrado, Adi Masam, that is Kadaga Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 6:46 a.m. Dwadashi, then Trayodashi, Bhaumavasaram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 7:45 p.m. Margashirsham, then Tiruvadirai. Today's Rahugalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. and 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Chandrashtamam up to 8:28 p.m. Tulam, then Vrchika Rashi. Shulam North, Prayachittam Milk, Shradha Tithi Trayodashi.